Welcome to English Practice Every Day. Hey everyone, welcome back to the English Conversation Corner. I'm Kevin.
And I'm Jane. It's great to be here with all of you who are improving your English speaking practice every day.
Today, we're tackling a phrase that I think almost every English learner, and honestly, even native speakers, use way too often. Can you guess what it is, Jane?
Oh, I know exactly what you're thinking, Kevin. It's very good, isn't it? It's like the default response for everything positive.
You got it. Very good. It's not bad, of course, it's correct. But for real English and for making your daily English practice more exciting, it can be a bit, well, boring. It doesn't show much emotion or detail.
Exactly. If you want to sound more natural and expressive in your English conversation, you need a bigger toolbox of words. So today, we're going to give you 10 amazing alternatives to very good. These will really boost your English speaking practice.
And remember, this isn't just about learning new words. It's about making your English conversation richer and more interesting. So listen carefully, repeat after us, and try to use these in your real English conversations.
주보내물. Let's dive into our first alternative. Instead of very good, you can say fantastic. This word means extremely good or excellent.
Yeah, fantastic is super common. You hear it a lot. For example, that new movie was fantastic. Or, you got the job, that's fantastic news.
It carries a lot of positive energy, doesn't it? It's a great choice for your daily English practice when you want to show excitement. Try saying it with us. Fantastic.
Next up, we have excellent. This one is a bit more formal than fantastic, but still very common. It means extremely good, of very high quality.
You often hear excellent in professional settings or when talking about something that's really well done. Like, your presentation was excellent, Jane, or this restaurant serves excellent food.
Yeah, it implies a certain standard. If something is excellent, it probably exceeded expectations. So practicing this in your English speaking practice can make you sound more precise. Let's say it together.
Excellent. Our third word for today is wonderful. This word has a lovely, warm feeling. It means inspiring delight, pleasure, or admiration, extremely good.
I love wonderful. It's often used for experiences or things that bring joy. We had a wonderful time at the park, or what a wonderful surprise. It really brightens up your English conversation.
It definitely does. It's perfect for describing things that make you feel happy or impressed. Add wonderful to your daily English practice to express genuine joy. Repeat after me, wonderful.
Moving on to number 4, we have superb. This is a strong word meaning extremely good, excellent, or magnificent.
Superb is often used for performances, quality, or something visually stunning. For instance, the singer gave a superb performance last night. Or, the view from the mountain was superb.
Yeah, it's like an upgraded excellent. When something is superb, it's truly top-notch. It adds a touch of elegance to your English speaking practice. Try it, superb.
Our fifth alternative is impressive. This word means evoking admiration through skill, quality, or size. So when something makes you admire it, it's impressive.
This is great for describing achievements. Her ability to speak 3 languages is really impressive. Or, the new building has an impressive design. It's about being awestruck a little bit, you know? It's a great word for real English situations.
Absolutely. It's about something that leaves a mark on you. Incorporate impressive into your daily English practice to talk about things that stand out. Say it, impressive.
So, we've already covered 5 fantastic words. Fantastic, excellent, wonderful, superb, and impressive. How are you feeling about these, Jane?
I'm feeling wonderful, Kevin. It's so much more fun than just saying very good every time. I remember once I was traveling and I tried to describe a sunset and all I could think of was very good. But if I had known superb or impressive back then, it would have painted a much clearer picture in my English conversation.
That's a great point. It's not just about sounding better, it's about being able to express yourself more accurately. That's what real English is all about. Let's jump into our next 5 words.
All right, number 6 is amazing. This is another very popular one. It means causing great wonder, astounding, extremely good.
Yeah, amazing is super versatile. You can use it for almost anything that surprises you positively. That magic trick was amazing. Or, the food here is simply amazing. It's a go-to for many and great for English speaking practice.
It definitely is. It's one of those words that adds a lot of enthusiasm to your English conversation. Make sure to try amazing in your daily English practice. Let's say it, amazing.
Our seventh word is brilliant. This is especially popular in British English, but it's widely understood everywhere. It means exceptionally clever or talented. Excellent.
Yes, I often hear it. You might say, that's a brilliant idea, or the artist's latest work is brilliant. It's often used for intelligence or exceptional quality. It really elevates your real English vocabulary.
It's a strong compliment. So next time you want to praise someone's idea or skill, try brilliant. Practice saying it brilliant.
Number 8 on our list is outstanding. This means exceptionally good, clearly noticeable among others.
This word really emphasizes how something stands out. She did an outstanding job on the project. Or, the customer service at that hotel was truly outstanding. It tells people it was better than expected. A perfect addition to your English speaking practice.
It definitely highlights excellence. Use outstanding when you want to show that something is far superior. Say it with us, outstanding.
For our ninth word, we have exceptional. This is similar to outstanding, meaning unusually good, superior.
Exceptional is often used when something goes beyond the usual. It's rare or special. For example, he has exceptional talent as a musician. Or, the weather was exceptional for this time of year. It makes your English conversation more precise.
It conveys a sense of something being truly special, not just good. Add exceptional to your daily English practice and you'll notice the difference. Let's try it, exceptional.
And finally, our 10th word to replace very good is terrific. This word means very great or intense. Excellent.
Terrific is full of enthusiasm. You might say, we had a terrific time at the concert last night. Or, you did a terrific job finishing that report so quickly. It's a really positive and energetic word for real English.
It sure is. It's a fantastic way to express strong approval and excitement. So, use terrific in your English speaking practice when you feel really good about something. Repeat after me, terrific.
Wow, that's a whole new vocabulary of positivity. Let's quickly recap those 10 words. Fantastic, excellent, wonderful, superb, impressive, amazing, brilliant, outstanding, exceptional, and terrific.
That's right. Now, how can our listeners really put these into their daily English practice, Kevin?
Great question, Jane. The best way is to actively try to use them. For the next week, challenge yourself. Every time you're about to say very good, pause and pick one of these new words instead. It will feel strange at first, but that's how you build real English habits.
Exactly. You can also listen to English podcasts for beginners like ours, or watch English movies, and pay attention to how native speakers use these words. Then, try to mimic them. Repetition is key for English speaking practice.
And don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's part of the learning process. The goal is to expand your English conversation skills and sound more natural. Each new word you master makes a big difference.
Absolutely. This isn't just about vocabulary, it's about confidence in your English speaking practice. The more words you know, the more freely you can express yourself in real English situations.
We hope this episode has given you some terrific new tools for your English conversation. Remember, consistent daily English practice is what will get you to fluency.
Yes, keep practicing, keep learning, and keep speaking. If you enjoyed this English podcast for beginners, please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel for more lessons, and share this episode with anyone who wants to improve their English speaking practice.
Your support really helps us create more great real English content for all of you. We love hearing from you, so let us know in the comments which of these 10 words is your favorite to use.
Yes, we can't wait to see your favorite. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll catch you next time on the English Conversation Corner for more daily English practice. Bye for now.